In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Thinkorswim cache. If your platform feels sluggish, charts aren't updating as expected, or you've just installed an update and things seem off. Clearing the cache is a quick, built-in way to refresh Thinkorswim without digging through system folders. We'll keep it simple and use the official option right from the login screen. First, make sure Thinkorswim is closed. If it's open, go ahead and exit the application so it's not running in the background. This ensures the cleanup process can work correctly and nothing gets stuck while files are in use. Next, open the Thinkorswim application again. Instead of logging in right away, pause at the login window. This is exactly where we want to be. You don't need to enter your username or password for this process. The cache reset is available directly from this screen. Now look to the bottom left corner of the login dialog for a small gear icon. It's easy to miss at a glance, so take a second to find it. That gear opens a menu with maintenance and startup options that can help resolve common issues. Click the gear, then choose the option labeled Clear Cache, or sometimes Reset Cache and Clear Memory. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version or operating system, but you're looking for the choice that references clearing or resetting the cache. Selecting this tells Thinkorswim to remove temporary files and memory data that can become stale over time. Once you select it, the platform will handle the cleanup automatically. Expect the app to briefly close or refresh and then restart with a fresh cache. When it reopens and you're back at the login screen, you're ready to continue as normal. This refresh does not affect your brokerage account or your saved credentials on the broker's side. It simply clears temporary files that the platform rebuilds as you use it. It's a safe way to fix odd behavior like missing studies, delayed watch list updates, or charts that refuse to load the latest data. After the restart, log in as you usually do and check your charts and watch lists. You should notice faster loading and fewer hiccups. If you were troubleshooting a specific glitch, try repeating the action that caused it to confirm the fix. Clearing the cache is a great first step before trying more advanced troubleshooting, and you can repeat it anytime the platform starts acting out of character. That's it. A quick, clean refresh using tools built right into Thinkorswim. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to smooth trading.